TrackMaven Honest Review. Watch before using. TrackMaven is a competitive intelligence and marketing analytics platform designed for businesses and marketers who want to boost their performance by leveraging data-driven insights. Built to help brands stay ahead, TrackMaven is packed with features that analyze your content, audience engagement, and market trends. At its core, TrackMaven pulls data from social media, blogs, email campaigns, and other digital channels to provide you with a detailed understanding of your brand's performance in comparison to your competitors. Its main strength lies in its ability to aggregate metrics across different platforms, making it much easier to see which content resonates with your audience and which trends are emerging in your industry. One of TrackMaven's standout features is its content intelligence tool, which allows you to analyze the performance of specific pieces of content across social and digital platforms. This is extremely helpful for refining your content strategy, as it gives you data on what's working and what isn't. With TrackMaven, you can also track competitors' content performance, identifying which formats and topics are gaining traction in your market. The platform's audience engagement analytics allow you to pinpoint peak engagement times, understand sentiment, and segment your audience based on behavior so you can tailor campaigns to different demographics. TrackMaven also excels with its campaign performance tracking, which gives marketers an in-depth look at how each campaign performs across various channels, enabling you to adjust your strategies in real time. Who is this platform for? Primarily, TrackMaven is ideal for mid-sized to large businesses, agencies, and marketing teams that rely heavily on data to drive their strategies. If you're looking to stay competitive in a crowded space, TrackMaven's suite of analytics can help you see where you stand in your industry and make informed decisions that drive results. However, TrackMaven does come with a learning curve, especially if you're new to analytics platforms. It's powerful, but that also means it requires some investment in time and training to fully unlock its potential. Additionally, TrackMaven's cost may be prohibitive for smaller teams or startups, as it is aimed at businesses that can justify the expense for high-level analytics. In summary, TrackMaven is a robust tool for serious marketers and businesses that prioritize data-backed insights and competitive intelligence. If your goal is to refine your content strategy, outpace competitors, and optimize campaign performance across multiple channels, TrackMaven offers all the capabilities you need. Just be prepared for a steeper learning curve and a higher price point. But if these aren't deal breakers, TrackMaven could be a game changer in achieving your marketing goals.